In a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields and towering mountains, there lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan was smart, full of energy, and had big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, travel the world, and achieve greatness. But there was one problem. He was always wasting time. Instead of working on his dreams, he spent his days scrolling through his phone, playing games, and hanging out with friends without a purpose. Whenever someone reminded him to focus on his goals, he would laugh and say, "Relax. I have plenty of time. I'll start tomorrow." Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Yet, Ethan remained stuck in the same place. The arrival of the wise old man one evening. A mysterious old man visited the village. He carried a beautiful golden hourglass filled with fine, shimmering sand. The villagers gathered around, whispering about the strange visitor. Curious, Ethan approached him and asked, "What is so special about this hourglass?" The old man smiled and replied, "This is not an ordinary hourglass. It represents your light. Every grain of sand that falls is a moment gone forever. You cannot turn it back." Ethan chuckled, "That's interesting. But I have plenty of time left, don't I?" The old man handed the hourglass to Ethan and said, "Hold it carefully. Now, tell me, what if I told you that the sand left in this glass is all the time you have left in life?" Ethan froze. His heart pounded. For the first time, he realized something terrifying. He had no idea how much sand was left. Was it years, months, or just a few days? He gripped the hourglass tightly and asked, "Can I add more sand to it? Can I turn it upside down?" The old man shook his head. "No, my boy, time only moves forward. You can't add more, and you can't turn it back. Every second you waste is lost forever." A night of reflection. That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. His mind was filled with regret. He thought about all the things he had wanted to do, the books he had planned to read but never did, the skills he wanted to learn but kept postponing, the business he wanted to start but never worked on, the people he loved but never spent quality time with. For the first time, he understood that time was slipping away and he had been taking it for granted. A new beginning the next morning, Ethan made a decision. No more wasting time, no more excuses. He woke up early, made a plan, and started working on his goals. He cut down distraction, used his time wisely, and focused on the things that truly mattered. Years passed, and Ethan became a successful entrepreneur. He traveled the world, helped others, and lived a fulfilling life. One day, while looking at an old hourglass in his office, he smiled and whispered to himself, "Time is like sand, you can't hold it forever, but you can use it wisely before it slips away." Moral of the story: don't waste your time on things that don't matter. Time is the most valuable gift you have. Once gone, it never comes back. Use it wisely to chase your dreams, build your future, and create a meaningful life, because in the end, the sand will run out and you won't get a second chance.